Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a bot from Discord server. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord. Once you open that, you simply need to select your server. So I am in my server. Then you simply need to click on this icon here and you simply need to go on to the server settings. Once you are here, scroll down here and you need to click on members. And here you can see all the details, and here you can see I have 3 bots, so I want to remove this bot. So you simply need to click on more options and then you simply need to click on kick interaction bot, and then you simply need to, if you want, you can add the reason. Then you simply need to click on kick, and once you done that, here you can see that bot will be removed. So this is the process how you can remove bot from Discord server. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.